part of your holiday, I'd just like to mention a few further safety points. Please do remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened for just a while longer until the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign. Also, during the flight, we do recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened, just in case of any turbulence. If you do plan to sleep, please keep your seatbelt visible so we don't need to disturb you. Thomson Airways is a non-smoking airline, and smoking is not permitted on board at any time. Your sensitive smoke detectors in all of the toilets, and keeping your safety in mind, we do have a zero-tolerance policy towards disruptive behaviour of any kind. We also do ask you to refrain from consuming your own alcohol on board. We have 3 toilets available for your use, 1 at the front of the aircraft and 2 at the rear. Please use the toilet bins provided for the disposal of all handhelds and nappies, as these can cause the toilets to block. The cabin crew will shortly be coming through the cabin with our customer feedback questionnaires. We do have a dedicated team who input all of your comments and feedback. This year we have withdrawn over 400 hotels where results were disappointing and below standard. In our brochure we have individual sections called At a Glance, where your feedback is displayed to assist other holiday makers in selecting the best holiday for them. Please help us and other customers by continuing to give us your honest feedback, and we will reward you by entering each completed questionnaire into a prize draw, where you stand a chance of winning £2,500 towards your next first choice at Thomson holiday. Mr. Chairman, we do thank you for your time and cooperation.